This training unit looks at the PTK-14 EDT electric tacker from Bosch. The PTK-14 EDT electric tacker can be used for a wide variety of applications and materials. The staples can be used for jobs such as upholstering furniture, fitting wire mesh, stapling foils, and much more. The nails can be used to easily perform jobs such as fixing slats or cabinet rear panels. The compact ergonomic design combined with a soft grip makes the tool comfortable to use. The unique DuoTac system can be conveniently controlled using the switch on the front of the tool. Slide the switch down to drive one staple. Alternatively, you can also drive nails with the tool in this position. Slide the switch up to simultaneously drive two staples. This enables the PTK-14 EDT to also quickly and easily fix tear-sensitive materials such as fabrics or foils. This powerful electric tacker has continuously variable impact force control, enabling it to be adjusted to suit the material and the type of fixing. To work in softwood or to use shorter staples, you can set a lower impact force on the setting wheel. A higher impact force is recommended for work with hardwood, longer staples, or the DuoTac function. To staple and fix objects, you simply place the PTK-14 EDT on the workpiece, pressing the tacker nose down by doing so, and then pressing the switch to trigger the impact. This two-stage push and release system prevents unintentional triggering. When driving nails, the marking on the tacker nose enables you to position the fastening precisely. The refill indicator on the foot of the tool shows you at all times how full the magazine is. If it is empty, it is easy to refill from below. Nails have to be inserted on the marked side of the magazine. You can use conventional type 53 fine wire staples with a length of 6 to 14 mm and type 48 nails with a length of 14 mm. The cable sleeve minimizes the risk of the cable breaking. Now have fun with the PTK-14 EDT electric tacker from Bosch.